Okay, for example B, we want to find the Laplace inverse of the 3 over 2s plus 5 the power of 3 here. Okay, so as usual, basically as usual, when we have like s plus something, s minus something, we know that this is a map to the as I can say, map to the Laplace, map to the f s minus a. Okay, so this s minus a come from when we do the inverse here. Okay, we know that we obtain from e to the power of at ft. So it means that we need to find this exponential and this a function like example a. Okay, but the 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 difference between the look at to my note, example a and b. Example a, okay, you are lucky because you already have the s minus 2. Why? Because when you map to the s minus a, s is a s, a is a 2, so no need to modify in here. But look at to the b, this one also map to the f s minus a, but here s, here you have a 2s. No matter what, you need to reduce to the s. This one plus, you have a negative here. No matter what, you need from here, you need to reduce to negative. So the value of a totally different with the 5 because you need to modify first. So how? Okay, look at to my sketching. Okay, look at to my sketching. No matter what, you need to find the s minus a. S minus a. So we need to modify 3 over 2s plus 5 the power of 3. Okay, so 3 is similar thing. Okay, how to get only the single s? We need to move out the value of 2. Okay, so I do a bit bracket 2 s. Okay, 2 multiply with s will be 2s plus 5 over 2 the power of 3. Why 5 over 2? Because when 2 minus with the s will be the 2s. When 2 multiply with the 5 over 2, you obtain 5. You obtain the original one. So we move the 2 so that we obtain s here. Okay, now we still have a problem. Why? Because they have a plus here. Okay, equal to 3 over, as usual, 2s minus 5 over 2 the power of 3. So now you already have a single s here, you already have a negative here. Okay, so therefore your value for a is here. Okay, so when you have a value of a here, automatically you can obtain for this one exponential, right? Okay, so now it's okay. Then I write down again, and then you expand. In the expand, you simplify. 2 the power of 3 will be 8. So s minus 5 over 2 the power of 3. Okay, now dah rasa lega sikit kan? So this one actually map to the f s minus what is a is a negative 5 over 2 this. Okay, so as I mentioned, e the power of at you already obtained because you already obtained the value of a. So now you want to find the value of ft. So from the value of t, what I said before this come from the fs. Okay, now s minus negative 5 over 2 equal to, I rewrite again, 8s minus 5 over 2 the power of 3. So we want to obtain for the fs. Fs what? Move out the negative 5 over 2. We obtain 3 over 8s cubed. Or we can say that 3 over 8 multiplied with the 1 over s cubed. Okay. Now, we want to get the ft. It means that we need to Laplace inverse this one. So, equal to Laplace inverse 3 over 8 multiplied with the 1 over s cubed. Okay. As usual, 3 over 8 can move out. Okay. Laplace inverse 1 over s cubed. Alah, tak cukup ke ruang? Sekejap wait layout. Layout please, layout. Hurry up. Page. Okay. This one. So, equal to, okay, 3 over 8. So, here you know that this come from what? 1 over s 2 plus 1. Okay. This formula is for n factorial over sn plus 1. Right? So, you know that. So, the value of n will be the 2. N is the 2. So, from here, it means that you have 2 factorial over s2 plus 1. Should be like this. Okay? But the original one, look at here. No, sorry. The original one, no, don't have the value of 2. So, you need to create the value of 2 here. Okay? As usual, 3 over 8. Okay, 3 over 8. Laplace inverse. Okay. 2 factorial over s2 plus 1. Because the original one don't have a 2. So, 1 over 2 factorial. Why? Because when you cancel here, you obtain the original one here. You obtain the original one here. Okay. So, 3 over 8 Laplace inverse. Wait. Sorry. Okay. So, we want to Laplace inverse for this one. So, it means this is constant, can move outside, will be 1 over 2 factorial. Okay. Laplace inverse 2 factorial over s2 plus 1. Okay. Now, 3 plus 1 will be 1. 2 factorial will be equal to 2. So, 8 multiplied with 2 will be 16. So, Laplace inverse 2 factorial, this one will be what? T the power of 2. Okay. Why? Because look at to here. Here. This one come from the t the power of n. Okay. So, t the power of 2. Okay. Now, therefore, the Laplace transform of mana tadi? 3 over 2s plus 2s plus 5 the power of 3. I said that must be what? Obtain e the power of 80. Your a here will be what? Wait. So your a will be the negative. Here, your a will be the negative 5 over 2. So, the final solution will be e the power negative 5 over 2t multiply with the ft. So, you already obtained the ft here. Ft. So, multiply with the 3 over 16t square. That's all. Okay. So the next video I will explain the find the Laplace transform using the partial fraction. So how to know that whether that questions need to use the partial fraction. Okay.